Our top focus continues to remain on the Delhi blast probe, and we now bring you the most chilling security lapse in recent memory. It's a mega India Today exclusive. A suspected car bomber driving an explosive-laden I-20, cruising through the heart of VVIP Delhi, completely unchecked. Captured on CCTV across 43 ultra-secure zones, this is the terrifying journey of what can be called the Delhi Terror Cruise. From Kartavya Path to India Gate, from Akbar Road to Rail Bhavan, from Tughlaq Road to Lodi Road, the car moved freely through areas where even a moment's halt triggers alerts. But that day, on November 10th, no action despite a full-fledged alert. Now showing you these 10 visuals that India Today has accessed. These are the CCTV images of the I-20 car. So on October 29th, the I-20 car was seen at the Al Falah University in Faridabad. On October 30th is when Dr. Umar left and fled Faridabad. On October 30th also I-20 was captured on the CCTV in Al Falah. At Al Falah University in Faridabad. Now comes November 10, 6:42 a.m. and the I-20 car is seen on the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway. On the same day, later at 8:03 a.m., the I-20 car is again seen in the national capital entering from the Badarpur border. Then it is seen at the Ashram Chowk on November 10 itself, after which it is also seen on the DND. At 9:22 a.m., it is again seen in the national capital near India Gate, and after which it is seen near Akbar Road. Now remember, these are the VVIP areas of the national capital. This is literally the heart of the national capital where this car was seen on November 10, which is also the day the blast happened. It was also seen at Connaught Place Outer Circle on November 10 itself, and in fact, more such VVIP areas. We have accessed the CCTV at 2:10 p.m. It was still in the national capital at the Barakhamba Road. So these are the areas that the car traveled through on November 10, the same day the Red Fort blast happened.